Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the fuel filter on a Volkswagen Golf 5 1.9 TDI. The fuel filter is located right there. It's held by 5 bolts that we need to remove. Now that we've removed the bolts, we need to remove the fuel filter cap. We might need a screwdriver to help pry it up a little bit. Next, we will remove the old fuel filter and put on the new fuel filter. That's the new fuel filter that we're putting in. Next, we need to put the new O-ring and then put the fuel filter cap back on. There is also a seal in the middle, the blue one, that we need to replace as well. Then we'll put on the new green O-ring. It's a seal on the outside, and then I will put the fuel filter cap. Now we'll tighten the bolts, and that's the fuel filter change. After we replace the fuel filter, we need to go into the car and turn the ignition on about 10 times, on and off about 10 times, so that the electric supply fuel pump primes the fuel system, and then we'll start the car. And here it is. We started the car. Now we give it a little bit of gas so that we make sure that the car doesn't die, and that's it, we're done. Thank you for watching.